In the heart of a winter storm, a short-eared owl perched on a branch. Its sharp eyes scan the ground below, searching for any movement of a wall hiding in the snow. After a while, it spreads its wings and takes off, cutting through the icy winds. Flying low over the open field, it hunts tirelessly. But the falling snow and strong winds make its prey invisible. With no success, the owl lands on a metal fence post to rest. Even in the harsh cold, this owl refuses to give up. The hunt must go on.